What if you could play a game and learn at the same time, and it was all designed by you? This is what we're going to do today in our Divine Learning app activity. We're going to create a special app that is made just for your style of learning about whatever topic you find interesting, and we're going to create it with an amazing tool. It's going to be so much fun and give us an opening to the world of AI apps or vibe coding. This is part of the Global AI Goddesses community. Every week we have a different activity with AI. I find for us the best tools and the ones that we can try for free and use on our mobile to make it fun and easy. And I give us a little creative project to experiment with them every time. This is what we're going to do today, and next week will be something different. I'm Faye, by the way. I'm an AI educator. I used to be a software architect, and I love working with people and being this technology bridge to bring magic into our life, because for me, AI is truly has magical effects. So I can't wait to see that the apps you make today, what you share inspires all of us and me a lot. And if you're in one of our local chapters with our amazing hosts in Chiang Mai, Thailand, or in Vietnam, Da Nang, thank you so much for being here and supporting and experiencing this with us. Can't wait to see you in the group photo. We're gonna go to Gemini, and first we're gonna sign in. So sign in with your Google account, and you can also use their app. It's great, I recommend it. You're logged in, we're gonna start a new chat, and you see we have all these amazing options in Gemini, like creating images and music, and today we're gonna use the creating an app ability. To activate this ability, we just need to click here on the settings and click on Canvas. This tells Gemini that we want to build something together, not just write. Now we have one more thing here. We have the mode. You can see we have fast, and if I click on it, it's gonna show me thinking and pro. For our app, we're gonna use thinking because we wanted to think a bit more about what it's giving us and what it's creating to make a more fun learning experience and a more fun game, right? So this is the settings we need. And to start, we're gonna write our prompt right here. So I would write something like, I want to make an app that does, and then I describe it. Now today we're making a learning app, so I made a little structure for us, a prompt template to follow, and I made a special surprise for you. App for us to help us create our prompt. So this is our prompt builder, and it will take us through the steps in our project, and it will give you the prompt ready to copy. So today we're gonna choose a topic to learn about. It can be anything you wanna know more about. For example, I want to learn about the solar system. I will share the link to this app with you in the guide so you can fill up the information. And in the topic, feel free to be as specific as you want. It's all AI, so speak freely. You can also ask for something more specific than solar system. And next step, since this is AI, we can really customize the learning style. And the learning style is really what makes this stick eventually. If you learn in a way that fits you, we can get so much more. And now we can have this AI designing fully customized apps for us. So tell it, say what makes learning engaging for you and what makes it boring for you. So for me, I like visuals and exploration and interactive elements. And for me, boring is like long text, dry information. So since this is AI, you can speak freely. Write these two things to guide the AI with us, and that's it. We're gonna generate our prompt. Now you see it, this is generated the full prompt for us to copy. Simply gonna click copy the prompt, and it's copied to my clipboard. And you can see it's a simple prompt. I'm telling it to make a learning app. I'm telling it to think like a learning game designer and make it an experience about my topic. I want it to include engaging interactions like minigames and puzzles, since we said it's gonna be a gamified learning app. And I want it to be playful, easy to use on the phone, important to say what you need. I love things that I can use on my phone because I'm mostly using my phone. And this is what we described. The learner enjoys visuals and explorations and gets bored by long text and dry information. So now it knows me a little better. So this app is a really fun way for me to save you the trouble of copying and pasting from WhatsApp and giving you a little experience to write your input in. Now, here's a reminder for you also to not forget to activate the Canvas mode to generate your app. And you can check out the learning skills we just created here in the prompting skill we created. We used a role, we gave it a role as a creative learning designer, we gave it interaction, what to do, and we gave it a user-specific information to make it customized. Now we're going to see it in action. Go ahead, start a new chat. We're going to make sure that our canvas is on and that our thinking is on. And now we just paste our prompt in. So I'm just going to paste it. And you can see it's everything I said about the solar system. And I'm going to give it the go ahead, send it, and let it generate the app for me. See, it's already working on it. It will be ready in a minute or two. It's really fast. It's ready. We simply are gonna click on open. And wow, what a beautiful app. First of all, the solar system like this. We have this menu, and what happens when I click the button? It gives me like this little information about Earth. I might have a game to play here. I can continue exploring. We have, wow, this is so cute. Tail like comet, I didn't know. This is so nice. Cool, and I have this menu here, and if I click it, oh cool, I get the outer ring, I get Saturn and Jupiter. Very cool. Wow, and I have quests as well. Can you believe it's just one prompt that made all of these amazing things? Very important, this is not the end. This is conversation. You see at the bottom here I have a little chat with the AI. I can say whatever changes I want or add-ons to this app. For example, let's try to play the game. Oh, you see the game didn't work. So it might not be perfect, there might be stuff that you want to change. But now I can say, you know, the game isn't working. So I can just describe what I want, right? So in this case, I say that's a discovery challenge. So I say the discovery challenge game isn't working. And I can just submit that. Now Gemini is going to try and fix it, find what to do, suggest a solution, and just give me the full app again. Amazing things about these apps is that you can share them. If I click here on my share button, when I open my app, you can see it created a public link for me. So if I copy this link, I can share it with all of you, and you can also access my app and see it, and even make a copy of that and make it your own, make your own changes or use it as a template. You can really inspire a lot of people with your amazing designs and ideas. That now that I put the link in, I can also see the app in my browser, and if I want to, I can click on this Try Gemini canvas to actually copy this app to my canvas. You see it already made it here, and now I can make whatever changes I want separately from somebody else's app. It's a great way to collaborate and create different versions and templates and ideas. I hope to see you in the next activity as well. I'm sure we'll make great things together, and very soon we're gonna have our members hub, all of our past activities, the things you might have missed going on the website, so you can filter and learn and check out all the previous videos and activities and all the future ones that we're gonna make. We also just finished our Notebook LM workshop. It was our first business workshop for the AI Goddesses, and it will be available to purchase on the website soon, so you can watch the recording and work with this amazing tool by Google. We tried it last week in our podcast activity. It can do so much more. So tell a friend, and I hope more people will join us in this beautiful community that we're building. Thank you for being a part of it, and I hope this made your way to AI more magical. I'll see you in the next one.